Hey everybody, and welcome to this video where we'll compare PropWire and Flipster, two powerful tools designed to help real estate investors find and analyze properties. If you're looking for the right platform to grow your real estate business, this breakdown will help you decide which one is the best fit for you. Now, before we dive into all the features of PropWire, if you want to try PropWire yourself, you don't need to search for it. I've dropped the link right in the description, so just click that and you can start using PropWire. Super easy. Let's start with PropWire. This platform is relatively new in the real estate data space, but it's been gaining a lot of attention quickly. What makes it stand out is that it offers completely free access to off-market property data and lists of motivated sellers. This is a huge deal, especially for new investors or anyone working with a limited budget. Most real estate data platforms require a subscription, but PropWire allows you to access a solid amount of data without paying anything up front. One of its biggest advantages is automation. It helps you quickly filter through properties to find potential deals, whether you're looking for distressed properties, pre-foreclosures, or owners who might be motivated to sell. The interface is clean, simple, and easy to navigate, which makes it very user-friendly even if you're new to using real estate tools. Another big benefit is that while some premium features might require payment, the ability to search and download lists without a subscription is a major plus. However, since it's a newer platform, some users might find that it doesn't offer the same level of customization or depth of data as some of its paid competitors. Now let's talk about Flipster. Unlike PropWire, Flipster is a paid platform, but it comes with a full suite of tools designed specifically for house flippers and wholesalers. Along with property leads, it includes deal analysis tools, marketing templates, and even funding options to help you streamline your real estate business. If you're looking for an all-in-one system that can handle everything from lead generation to deal closing, Flipster offers a more structured approach. The downside is that it requires a subscription, and if you're not closing deals consistently, the cost can add up quickly. So which one should you choose? If you're looking for a completely free way to access off-market deals and build a solid list of leads, PropWire is an excellent option. But if you need a more advanced, all-in-one system, and you're willing to pay for extra tools, Flipster might be the better fit. It really depends on your investment strategy and whether you're prioritizing cost effectiveness or premium features. If PropWire sounds like the right fit for you, there's no need to go hunting for it. Just check out the link in the description, click it, and you can start using PropWire free today.